So the game is lemon and spoon. So children have to balance their lime on their spoon. They have to balance the lemon on their spoon and walk along their track and reach the finish line. In case if the lemon falls down, they can pick the lemon, put it on their spoon and then walk back. So they should not hold the spoon with their hand. They have to hold the spoon only with their tooth or mouth. Hold it in your mouth. Balance the lemon on your spoon. Again, you need concentration.
Okay. మీ పాప అప్పుడే రెడీ. మా పాప స్లో అండ్ స్టడీ.
క్లాస్లో అందరూ అనుకుంటే పెద్ద.
So the participants are Saundarya, Hiranmaya, Parshit, Ranvita, Ramshayansh, Chaitra, Varshini, Ziyad, Harshit and Kartikeya.
లేదని చెప్పినా బిస్కెట్ ఉన్నావా?
आजा. Ready? Ready? Come on, teacher, energy. Go to the finish line.
నేనే విన్నర్ అని చెప్తుంది కార్లో. విన్నర్ కాదన్నా ఓడిపోయినా కూడా ఉండు. ఇంకా చాలా గేమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఫ్యూచర్లో.
One step back. Yes. Ranvita, one step back. Back, move back. Yes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Slowly, balancing and go. Balancing and go. Wow, Hiranmaya, keep it back. Very nice, Hiranmaya. Wow. Place it back, Nico. Place it. Good job, Shreyans.
అది నన్ను వెతుక్కుంటా ఉంది.
కొడతారు.
Go back to the other stage. So we have 3 winners here. First place goes to Hiranmaya. Don't even give him. Give him school rehearsals. Second place goes to Saundarya. Third place goes to Kartikeya and Varshini.